Jacob. Jacob. Sweetie. Jacob. Hey, sweetie. Jacob.
Jacob, what are you watching, Mama? Huh? What? You playing with your toys? Huh? Are you playing with your toys? Yeah. Say, who's coming soon? What do you want for Christmas? Huh? You never told Santa what you want for Christmas. Huh? What? What do you want for Christmas? Huh? What? You want some toys? Huh? You want some toys? Do ya? Well, get them. You're just kicking away, ain't ya? Huh? Well, talk to him. Talk to him. Come on. Tell him. Tell him. Go on. What? Do you see red? Yeah. Are you slobbering? Are you slobbering? I like to kick my feet till it makes the things bounce, doesn't it, huh? Yeah. See, we're taping this so Josh and Dad can see it, huh? Yeah. So we just got back from going to Grandma Judy's work, so we had lunch, didn't we? Huh? It's a little Christmas dinner, didn't we? And you were a good boy, slept most of the time though, didn't you? Now say I'm bright-eyed and bushy-tailed again. You're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. You gonna kick 'em? Huh? Are you gonna kick 'em? Okay, so we're gonna be back later. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jacob. Say close enough. Say listen.
Get back, Tanner.
Excuse me.
I'm taking that thing home.
You can hear my chair squeaking in the background. Say hi. Say hi. Say Grandma looks fine, don't she? Huh?
Hi there, Mommy.
Joshua, don't always jump in front of the camera. There, that's better. You don't need to jump.
I'm taking that thing home.
No, you're not. Say hi.
Me and Jacob had a nice little conversation going on. Then Mom has to grab the camera. Yeah. Don't worry, Pappy. You're going to get in there too.
Pap's already in there. Say hi, Pap.
In the house.
Oh, come on. Joshua.
He's really talking.
Say bye. Joshua, Stephen, I'm not telling you again.
Terry, you about ready to go? I don't want to see him get in trouble. He's going to. 'Cause he
Say
won't
bye.
Tell Mommy bye. Oh, look,
Yeah.
No, Mommy, no.
Mommy's using a little
Okay.
Please don't
Say
do
bye-bye.
Please don't.
It's Christmas Eve day.
Smile for the camera.
Smile, Jacob. What? Where's that big smile you were just giving us? Yeah. Where's it at? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What? What? You sticking your tongue out. You talking to us. Tell Santa what you want for Christmas. Tell Santa what you want for Christmas. Come on. What? Tell Santa. See an activity gym set. What else?
What else you want?
Clothes.
What else you want, big boy?
You're not picky, are you? Huh? You're not picky, are you? What? What are you looking at? Looking at your blanket? Oh, yeah. Your great-grandmother made that for you. She's no longer here, though.
You trying to poo? Let's go and lay down so you can poo, okay?
So
Lay
we're
down,
sitting
Mom.
here watching tapes. Oh, gotta take a short recess. We have a phone call. So we'll be back later. Bye-bye. So just the dentist reminding Josh of his appointment Monday. Oh, you can smile. Come on. Where's them cheekies? There they are. So I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I'm busy going.
Hey, look at my hair. Don't I have a lot? Oh.
I was on tape.
Yeah. Oh, my. Yeah, look at that smile. Are you talking to Dada? Go ahead.
Come on, let's sing together. Let's sing a Christmas carol. You start. You lead. You're gonna be a leader. Hey, hey. Hi. You gotta sing the chorus too. Say it's tough trying to sing Christmas carols with poo at the same time, Mama. Hey. Hey.
Hey. We're just talking up a storm. So Josh is outside. We got a little bit of snow last night.
Say, we put him on snow shoveling duty.
So him and Quentin went out and shoveled the whole driveway. Now they're going over to Quentin's house and shoveling theirs. Yeah. So I think he's trying to get brownie points for Santa tonight.
Smart boy.
What? You're just talking away, aren't you? Where's Heidi at? Heidi. Oh, there's some of our guests. There she is. Hi, Hyland. What are you doing? All balled up in your blankie, aren't you? Huh? Aren't you?